Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest you don't have public account. To know how to fix or how to solve you don't have a public account, you should just go to settings. Then in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this list you will enter to this window of Pinterest. Then in this list of app info you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.